Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting this one with a voiceover. Alright, so here we go. I am just showing you guys my get ready with me for my Halloween look. This year I was Barbie. And I'm just starting off with some MAC Prep and Prime. And I already moisturized and everything. I'm going in with the concealer on my eyelids just as a base for the eyeshadow. Blending that out. Just putting a cream colored eyeshadow all over to set that concealer. Then I'm going into my Morphe 350 palette, just taking a light brown color as a transition shade to build up in my crease. Going in with this Wet n Wild white eyeliner, I'm going to be putting it in my tear duct and the inner and outer corner of my eye. This is just to give the illusion of a bigger eye like Barbie would have. Then I'm going into this colorful eyeshadow palette and just taking a frosty white shade and putting it all over my lid. I'm going back over that penciled white eyeliner with this NYX liquid white eyeliner because it's a lot brighter. I'm just making it a point shape in that inner corner. Then I'm taking a brown eyeliner and I'm just going to draw a crease. So I'm basically just following my natural crease shape and just kind of cutting it. Then I'm taking a dark brown, like a purple undertone eyeshadow and blending that crease out upwards. Going into my BH Cosmetics palette again, I'm taking a pink shade and blending out that dark brown color that we just did. Then I'm just taking a peachy shade from that BH Cosmetics palette and blending out that pink color. Onto the face, I'm taking my IT Cosmetics CC cream, and I did fake tan, so this color is in medium, and I'm just putting that everywhere. I am wearing a lot of makeup for this look because for Barbie, I just wanted to kind of try and make myself look as flawless as possible. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques brush. I'm taking two different concealers from Maybelline, and first just covering up all the spots that my CC cream didn't cover, and then going under my eyes as well. Then with the lighter concealer, I went under my eyes and just kind of sculpted my face a little bit more. And then I just blended that concealer out. I took this contour stick and just went ahead and contoured my nose as well as my cheekbones because I wanted to look very sculpted. I tried making my face shape look as much as I could to Barbie's. Using my airspun powder, I'm going to go ahead and set everything and bake under my eyes as well as under my contour on my cheeks. I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit while I move on to my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them up, and then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild powder. I'm actually out of my eyebrow pencil, so I had to use this. It's a little too dark, but I just tried going in very lightly. Then I just brush that out to blend everything. Going back in with my powder, I'm going to wipe away that bake and then just set the rest of my face all over. Going back into the eyes, I'm taking this black liquid eyeliner and just starting with the inner corner of my eye, working out into a small wing. And I'm just following the shape that my eyeshadow created. I'm going back in with that brown eyeliner that I used in my crease and going underneath my lower lash line and following that white eyeliner to the outer corner and all the way into the inner corner to kind of make it look like a new eye shape. Blending out that eyeliner just with a light brown color from my Morphe palette. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara before my falsies, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Then I also went on my lower lash line and drew some false lower lashes, kind of like how Barbies are. I went and put a lot of mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Then I just put on my magnetic false eyelashes. They're super easy to apply. I have a video on them if you guys are interested. Moving on to the lips, I went in a really weird order. I don't know why I did my lips before finishing my face, but I just took this Wet n Wild lip liner and outlined my lips and then filled them in. Then I decided to finish my face. I just took a Too Faced bronzer and bronzed up my face and contoured my cheeks and jawline as well. And my camera died. So I added blush and highlight and then I was finished. For my outfit, I have in these pink earrings from Forever 21, a bead necklace, and this Barbie bodysuit, skirt, and white Converse. Hope you guys enjoyed. Everything will be linked below.